This is Fan, a cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford, currently residing at PetSmart in Nashua on Amherst Street with her best buddy, Ms. Baby, over there on the right in the cube. Perhaps sisters, not quite sure, but they came in together. They've been mother-daughter. They've been together all their lives, and they would like to stay together. Fan would like you to just pat her forever and ever and ever. That's about all she asks for, and an occasional catnip ball. You're a pretty girl, Fan. They're very sweet girls, and they take care of each other, so there's not a lot of demands on a human. Pretty much take care of themselves. Throw me some catnip.
You said throw me some catnip.
Whoa, isn't that yummy, Fan?